Welcome to the second video in our lesson on area of triangles. Here we're going to develop a formula for area of a triangle using several approaches, and then we'll apply our formula to find the area of various triangles. So now let's start with something we already know about, rectangles. So for this rectangle, I'm going to cut along the diagonal to create two triangles. Now you can see when I rotate it, they fit perfectly on top of each other, meaning they're equal. So one rectangle created two equal triangles. So I can say that the area of one of those triangles is half the area of a rectangle. So now let's look at this in a different approach, using a triangle to start with. So here I have a triangle with a base of 6 and a height of 6. I'm going to cut across half of the height and fold the top part down to create a rectangle. Now the area of this rectangle and the area of the triangle are going to be the same. We already looked at how we can break a shape apart and rearrange it to form another shape without changing its area. So if I find the area of this rectangle, then I also find the area of a triangle. So now the area of this rectangle is length times width. Now the length, or the base, is the same as the triangle, 6. But the width, or the height, is half that of the triangle. So either way you look at it, we can say that the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. Or you can write it like this: A equals B times H divided by 2. So now let's use that formula to calculate the area of these triangles. So I'll start by writing out my formula. In A, I see that the base is 13 and the height is 8. So I'll plug those into the formula. Next, I'll start by multiplying 13 and 8 first, and then I'll divide that by 2. So putting that all in my calculator, I got an answer of 52 square centimeters as the area. Now for B, the base is 22 and the height is 11. So multiplying them together and then dividing by 2, I get 121 square millimeters as the area. Then for C, I got a base of 6 and a height of 7. Multiplying that together, I get 42. Then dividing that by 2, I get 21 square meters. So now let's go backwards. We're looking for a missing dimension, and we're given the area. So if you're looking for the base, you can double the area, multiply it by 2, and then divide by the height. Or if you're looking for the height, you can double the area and divide by the base. So no matter what dimension you're looking for, you can always multiply the area by 2 and then divide by the dimension that you're given. So let's do A. We're told the area is 56 and the base is 7. So we're looking for the height. So I'm going to multiply the area by 2, 2 times 56, and then I'll divide that by 7. So putting that in my calculator, I got 16 millimeters as the height. For B, I have the area and I have the height, and I'm looking for the base. So I'll multiply 175 by 2 and then divide that by 5. And when I do that, I get that the base is 70 meters. Then for C, I'm looking for the height. So I will multiply 8 by 2, which is 16, and then divide that by 4, which is 4. So now you can move on to the next video in this lesson.